How to fix couldn't prepare radio, please try again in Google Play Music. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix couldn't prepare radio, please try again in Google Play Music. So guys, for this you have to make sure that your internet connection is on. And then now you have to go to your phone settings. Click on phone settings, and then guys, you have to go to install apps or app manager. Here is it. I have install apps in my phone, and then I have to go there. Now guys, you can search, or you can search from here. You can search here Google Play Music. Here is it. Click on Google Play Music, and then you can see here force stop button. Click on force stop, and you have to press OK. And then now you have to click on storage, and then you have to clear all the data here. Now go back, and you can see here app permission. Click on app permission, and you have to allow all the permission here. Now guys, you have to go back to your menu, restart your phone, reopen the device. Your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.